Okay, we got the intro coming in here, looking good. Let's see what we're going to do here. I think we're going to change our wallpaper. Go ahead and click on Settings. There we go. Go to Wallpaper. Right there. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's just hold this little right arrow and we'll go ahead and choose Stills. Yeah, Stills. Okay, we got all these choices. Let's take a look at this one. Not bad. Let's see what it... If we actually wanted it, we could hit the Set button. And I would set both, but I think I would rather go ahead and use my own wallpaper panel picture I took with my drone. Very nice. Let's see if we can find it. We'll go to all photos. Might be in there. We'll see. No, it's not there. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to Recent. There it is, right there. Let's choose that. Click on it. Ooh, that looks very nice. Go ahead and set it. And we'll set both. Okay, they're both set. Let's go on back to our home screen. See what it looks like. Double click Home. Sweep that out. Whoa, boy, that looks good. Looking good.